are not good, but bad things happen in good hospitals. We saw so many bad things happening. You improve your processes, lesser risks of litigation, lesser medical legal hassles. And this is the bonus, Sone Pe Suhaga. There are people who do independent. I don't believe in these paid service. Aajkal you go on LinkedIn, every day someone is humbled and honored to be the best place and winning this award and that award. And we all know, niche wo hota. I get so many mails. Vijay sir, I might be the most loved, profile. We are going to honor you as the Time CEO of the year. This suppose niche likha hua hai. There is a small contribution of 150,000 that you have to give. So today, Get Tagged is a great place. Comes when someone independent does it. They do it on the feedback from the community. Staff. You ever thought कि ये patient experience है staff का ROI पे फर्क पड़ेगा? All of you are staff, correct? If there is better patient experience, there is less attrition. How many of you agree with this? Someone is thinking ये क्या बोल दिया इन्होंने? कितने लोगों को घर पे जाते हुए चिक सुनना पड़ता है आज कि ये पेशेंट का क्या हुआ, ये कंप्लेंट क्या हुआ? Every day होता है चिक एंड अपना बॉस ही चिक करता है ना, करेक्ट? एंड अपना बॉस क्या कहता है? मेरे को सुनना पड़ता है। और बॉस सेज पॉलिसी बनाया हुआ है, प्रोसेस बनाया हुआ है, बट फिर वो दोपहर को बताएंगे ना, वो तो एक्रेडिटेशन के लिए बनाया हुआ है. सो चिक people die. You heard about second victim, you heard about everything. Will you be able to sleep in peace at night if you know कि that one? अरे मेरे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में सर 3 दिन पहले गलत पेशेंट को गलत कीमोथेरेपी चली गई. दोनों ब्रेस्ट कैंसर के पेशेंट थे तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ा. There was only an A difference in their names. In one of the name, and I said, बेटा तभी तो कहता हूँ UHID यूज करो. उधर भी one UHID was 62133 and the other was 62132. And the staff is pointing out to me and I told them, did you even think of it? Did you use it? वो बोले no. So ROI is when you follow processes. The ROI is staff is happy. No chick, good place to work. I heard this in I was talking to someone ex colleagues from different places and they are all here today and they were saying this is a nice place to work and I know the vision. But that's what I'm saying. You see, if our patients are happy, if our patients don't die, if our patients का गलत किडनी नहीं निकाल दिया, परसों ही पेपर में आया, someone operated on the wrong eye of a kid. अभी केस चल रहा है. We are going to sleep well at home in the night. More time to do our real work. नहीं तो क्या होता है? चलो इसका कापा बनाओ, इसका RCA बनाओ, NABH को देना है, ये होता है ना. और वहाँ पे ऐसे ब्यूटीफुली हम घास काटते हैं. 10 मिनट के अंदर रूट कॉज एनालिसिस हुआ, 20 मिनट के अंदर डॉक्यूमेंट बन गया. इज इट करेक्ट? व्हाट द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द आउटकम. सो 25 मिनट में आरसी हो सकता था. तो विजय सर अभी कुछ टाइम बोले थे सुबह कि 80 साल से JCI इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल